stuck on you. There's a feeling out deep in my soul that I just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. I needed a friend. The way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. Mighty glad to stay. What's up, guys? What a lekker song to play. Stuck on You by Lionel Richie. Super fun. Main part of the song, just 4 chords: G, B minor, C, and D. That's all there is. We're going to do a close-up of it in a second. I just want to give you the overview of the song, and we're going to learn some nice tricks. And also an E minor later in the song. So you can play the difficult B minor for the song, but you don't have to. It's actually just an easy song. Okay, so let's get right into it, and I'm going to show you. Now you might see these numbers and be, what the heck? Well, that's just a better way, well, a different way than actual number system to talk about chords. Because then you don't have to talk about the names, you just have numbers, and then with each key, it's kind of the same thing, but that we're getting into it. So the first part that you would do, G is going to be a 1. So just a regular old G. You could do this G, you could do this G, you could do this G, you could do any G, but I would say stick with this G for now. So that's your G, and then the 3 is going to be a B minor. Now you can play B minor like this, the easy way. 2, 0, 2, 0, 2 from the 5th string down. Ah, look at that B minor, isn't that beautiful? Whoever's watching right now, smash the like and leave me a comment. Where are you? Where are you from? Who are you? Who are you, man? So we got G, stuck on you. Oh, that's nice. And then you could do a C add 9. So if you take this G and you just take these fingers down, there's a feeling I get in D. And then D. So let's just review here. So G is the 1, 3 is the B minor. Oh, I've got a sneeze coming. Excuse me. Okay. So, hey, thanks for liking the video. I really do appreciate that. Okay, so 1 is G, 3 is B minor, C is 4, and then D is 5. So the verse would basically be just a down strum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Stuck on you. There's a feeling out deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. So you can play. Oh, let me just go back into this iPad here. You can play. I just want to write that in there. So that's G, B minor, and C, and then D. Okay. Now you can play that. You can play that in a couple of different ways. So you can play the B minor, the old school bar minor B minor, or you could do this B minor. Okay, so you could do like stuck on you. There's a feeling I get and I lose. Just repeats. I'm on my way. Mighty glad to stay. But on a and then the bridge is the only part that's a little bit different. So we got the 4, we're starting on the C. Oh, I'm living on the midnight train tomorrow. 5/7, you could just play a D. If you want to, you can put the thumb in the bass there. And let me just write down those chords for you guys. So that the 4 is a C, the 5 is a D, the 1 is the G, the 5 is also the D/F sharp. The F sharp is what you put in with your bass here with the thumb, if you want to. Otherwise, just mute that string. And the 6 is E minor. So we got this PDF here. Oh, I'm living on darling, I'm coming home to stay. Yeah, outro. Stuck on you. Na, 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 na. Now I like to do this song with like a little hybrid strumming picking thing. So you go with the G, you go. Stuck on you. There's a feeling I get when I look and I down, down. It's I'm on my way. Mighty glad to stay. Diddle-a-doo, diddle-a-doo. Diddle-a-doo, ba-da-da. Cool, there we go, guys. So, there we have it. Simple song, nice chord progression. You got it. You got it, man. You got it. You got it. Stay cool. Have a nice day.